Hi, I'm Tae Kim and welcome to my first lesson for learning Japanese from scratch. These videos are designed to quickly and efficiently teach Japanese for complete beginners. In this first lesson, we will do a brief overview of how Japanese is written. While English has only one alphabet, Japanese has three different writing systems used for different purposes called Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. If you were to very roughly summarize the differences, Hiragana is used for native Japanese words, Katakana is used for words originating from other countries, and Kanji is used for words that originate from China. Hiragana and Katakana are very similar in that they represent the same set of sounds. They are called syllabaries because each character represents a single syllable sound. This makes them very easy to learn because each character can only have one pronunciation. We will begin by learning Hiragana because it will also teach us how to pronounce all the sounds in the Japanese language. This chart contains all the Hiragana characters we will learn in the next several lessons. Because Hiragana is a syllabary, you can organize the characters based on the consonant and vowel sounds. The top row represents the various consonant sounds, while the rightmost column represents the 5 vowel sounds. So for example, if you look at the K column and the E row, you can find the character for the sound ke, shown highlighted in yellow. Katakana represent the same set of sounds as Hiragana, so we can display it in the same chart. As you can see, Katakana characters have sharper lines and appear more boxy. Kanji is the Japanese word for Chinese characters. They are essentially Chinese characters adapted for written Japanese. Each kanji has one or more readings that are expressed in Hiragana or Katakana. It may seem like a daunting task to have to memorize so many Chinese characters at first, but you'll soon realize that it's actually very helpful in quickly learning new vocabulary. Here's what a sample Japanese sentence looks like using all three writing systems. Notice that Japanese does not use spaces to separate words. In this lesson, we did a very brief overview of the three writing systems in Japanese. We will learn more about how and when to use them in the coming lessons. In the next lesson, we will begin learning Hiragana by starting with the vowel sounds. So until then, see you next time. Let's talk briefly about Romaji in this bonus slide. Many textbooks use the English alphabet to write Japanese, called Romaji, meaning Roman letter. While it may seem to make things easier at first, there are some big disadvantages of learning with Romaji. First of all, it encourages bad habits and makes it difficult to transition off. Second, there are many different and inconsistent ways to represent sounds in Romaji, which causes unnecessary confusion and potentially results in learning the wrong pronunciation. Finally, Romaji is not real Japanese. You can't actually read anything in Japan by using Romaji. So why learn it?